There's a new online income that you are missing out on, and that is Faceless Facebook account. That can make you an extra $3,000 per month. So let me show you exactly how I built my accounts up and how I started earning from them. So let's just jump straight into it. Okay, first let me show you exactly what is a Faceless Facebook account. This is one of mine right here that I grew up over the last few months. I already got 29,000 followers and I started it around 3 months ago, and it's all about motivational content. It's called My Motivated, as you can see. And all I really do is grab different quotes / sayings from TikTok, download it on snaptik.app, and put it on Facebook. So this right here is a great example of it. I use the app captions as well, so it can be on screen so they can see the captions. And I got different clips from different websites that have basically rich clips in the background on top of a motivational saying, and that's pretty much all I did. And it only takes me around 5 minutes to make a piece of content, and I get around 2,000 to 5,000 views, maybe even 10K views on each video. So I was able to build up an audience like this, and once you build up the audience, it's easy to make money because you already have the audience. And this page right here is called the Cooking Guild. It's another great example of a faceless Facebook page where it talks about all about cooking. As you can see, it's just got a lot of different cooking recipes and different cooking videos on here. So this is another great example of a faceless Facebook page, and they have a lot of followers as well. I'm pretty sure they have 100,000 people follow this page. So faceless Facebook pages are definitely in right now because it's a lot of different ways you can monetize them. And let me go over a couple of ways that you can start earning from a faceless Facebook page. Okay, the first couple of ways that you can start earning from a faceless Facebook page is you can do branded content. Branded content is basically where you grow your page up, and once you grow your page up, brands will reach out to you and they'll be like, hey, we'll pay you $500 or $1,000 if you make this certain post about our product. And once you do it, you get paid from it, which is a great way to monetize your content. Another way is by making fan subscriptions. And let's say when you grew up your audience, you wanted to create an ebook, or you wanted to just have certain messages only to a select few that subscribe to your page. You can do this as well. And the next way is by Facebook stars. Facebook stars is where when you make content, people can give you stars, and what you can do with them stars is redeem them for money when you make content. So let's say you got 10K views on there and people started giving you stars, then them stars will be used by you to get paid. Another way is paid online events. You're probably not going to be able to do this one because you want to probably stay faceless, but it's basically where you do just online events, live videos, basically anything on a live space. So you're probably not going to be doing that one, but it's another way that you can make money. And another way is by including ads in your video. This is a great way and the most passive way you can get paid from Facebook, because all you're doing is basically just allowing Facebook to put ads on your videos, and once they do this, you will get paid just by having the ads on your video. So this is an amazing way and one of my favorite ways that you can get paid from Facebook. And if you're a blogger or want to get started with a blog, you can include ads in your article as well. This is another amazing way to make money. So what this is let's say you're making ads on recipes or tech gadget reviews or anything of the sort. You want to include it in your post. You can definitely do this, and people can click on it, go to your articles. And if you have anything in your articles that allows you to get paid, you can do this as well. So including ads in your articles, if you want to go to blogging way, is an amazing route as well. And another way to get paid is through affiliate marketing as well. Let's say you're in the tech gadget reviews and you sign up to AmazonAssociates.com, which is Amazon's affiliate program, and you start reviewing stuff like camera lenses or different cameras or computer gear. Then you can include your affiliate link. You can get paid through this way as well. There's multiple ways you can get paid through making Facebook reels, and that was just a few of them. So I hope you can see, once you build up that audience, that you can definitely scale your Facebook account up to be making you a huge profit each month. Okay, now that you have some background information of what a faceless Facebook page is and how to get paid, it's time to start. And the first thing you need to do is choose your niche. It's important that you choose your niche because you don't want to be making content around every topic. You want to stick to one. The reason being is, like, let's say you're creating content in the cooking niche, and then out of nowhere you're in a tech niche, and now you're in the problem solving niche. People that follow your page will be confused. It's going to be a less targeted audience that follow you, so it'll be harder to monetize. So just make sure you choose one niche. A couple of great niches that you can go with is going to be the motivational niche. Of course, it's the one I picked. You can do with the cleaning niche. I got a page about the cleaning niche too. I grew it up to over 17K followers, so it's definitely one that you can go with as well. You can go with the cooking niche. You can go with the tech niche. There's a lot of different niches that you can go with, and if you're having a hard time finding your niche, just pick a niche that you're interested in. So let's say you're interested about traveling. So you can go into traveling niche and have a lot of stock videos that's all about traveling, but put like traveling tips behind it. Or you can do videos like top 5 places you would want to travel. Anything of the sort will work out. And what this allows you to do is just build up a page all around traveling, and people that love traveling will come to your page. Okay, once you find a niche that you want to be in, it's time for you to get your stock footage for your video. So amazing website that you can get some stock videos from is going to be Faceless.com. They have a lot, and I mean a lot of different videos on here and photos on here, so you'll never run out of content. Let's just say you pick chess. Let's say you want to be in the chess niche. As you can see, they have a lot of videos around chess that you can use. So they have a lot of different videos on here in a lot of different spaces. As you can see, 730 videos around chess and 1.8K photos. So that's a lot of different videos that you can use for your content. But for me, I'm going to use cooking as my for mine. So I'm going to type in cooking, and as you can see, 4.4K videos around cooking, 16.4K photos just in the cooking space. They definitely have a lot of different videos and photos that you can use for your content. Another great free stock footage website you can use is Pixabay. Pixabay is another one of my favorites. They have a lot of amazing high quality content as well. Let's type in cooking again, and boom, as you can see, over 15K images just in the cooking space. And let's see how many they got for the video. They have over 400 plus in the video niche, so that's a lot as well. And as you can see, this is pretty high quality as well that you can use. They even have motion graphics right here. So Pixabay and Faceless are amazing. You can use both of these for free. Okay, now that you know where to go to get your stock images and stock footage from, let's now get the quotes/sayings from TikTok. This is where I get all my quotes and sayings from. So I'm gonna search up cooking tips because I'm in the cooking space and want to have people talking about recipes and, you know, cooking in the background. So all you gotta do is just type in your niche in the top bar, and once you do this, just scroll around, and like with this one right here, 5 tips to become a better cook. I'm gonna use this one in the background because who doesn't want to become a better cook? So all you need to do now and copy the link. Once you copy the link, you need to go over to snaptic.app. You want to place that in, hit download. Once you do this, just hit download again, and it will download the video for you. So once you have that video downloaded, you want to go back over to Faceless, or you can go to Pixabay and get your stock footage for your background video. I'd say use 5 at the bare minimum of your videos. You can go up to 10 or 15, however many you want, but do at least 5 to keep changing up the pace of your video. So just scroll through all the stock footage and see ones that you like. So once you download all the videos that you like, it's time to come over to CapCut.com and upload all the videos you just downloaded. All you gotta do is hit the upload video, search for your content, and just load them in. Okay, once they're all loaded in, you want to take your clip where it's giving out the tips or the quote/the saying and put that in first. Once you do that, you want to right click it, or if you're on your phone, just click and separate the audio. And once you do this, hit delete for the footage, because all you need is the audio, and now you can put in your different clips of the food or whatever stock footage that you have. So all you need to do now is just drag and drop your stock footage in, and every few seconds just change out the clip. So I had this clip in for about 3 seconds, and now I'm gonna drag another one in, put it down, and have this one in for another around 3 to 5 seconds, take out the rest, and I'm gonna just keep doing this until I completed the video. And it's that easy. Okay, and now once you edit in all your clips and have it to your liking, the one thing that you need to do, as you can see, this one right here, the clip I'm on, is a landscape styled format. And when I scroll over, this one is a TikTok format. So what you want to do, if you have a landscape form content still, you need to come over to original and click TikTok. And as you can see, it will change the landscape, and all you need to do is just blow it up some, and then just position it however you want. So I'm gonna position it in the middle, and just go over and make sure all your clips is in TikTok format now. So sometimes you need to, you know, make it a little bigger or make it a little smaller, but just make sure they're all in the right format, and there's not no black space or anything in between. So some clips might already be in the right format, but you just want to scroll through and make sure there's no black ends that you can see right here, so your video will be correctly formatted. So once you edit it and correctly format it, you just want to start at the beginning, just play it.
Here are 5 tips to help you become a better cook at home. First thing, no surprise, a sharp knife. A sharp knife allows you to make quicker and more precise cuts. Believe it or not, you reduce the chance of cutting yourself if you have a sharp ass knife. Cutting boards move around a lot. To reduce that, grab a damp paper towel. Place the paper towel.
I'm not gonna play all of it because it's a long video, but as you can see, it's that easy to make content. And like I said, you can use captions.com. It's an app on your phone too to have the captions in the background, but it is a paid tool. You have to pay for it. So if you just want to have it like this, that'll be fine. I just like the captions because it adds a little more detail to the video, but like I said, it can be either way. But it's that easy to make content, and just make 2 to 5 pieces a day, and I guarantee you'll be able to grow and then be able to monetize your content. All right, and that right there is how I make my Faceless Facebook accounts. It's fairly new actually, because Facebook Reels are new and having Facebook ads on your videos are new. It's a lot of new stuff that's going on thanks to TikTok coming in the game and changing it up. But it's a lot of opportunities to make money on platforms like Facebook now. They have a lot of ways to monetize now, as you just seen. So I'm sure if you pick your niche and you keep growing, give it a few months, don't quit. I guarantee you, once you give it a few months, you're making content 2 to 5 times a day, you're going to grow and you're going to be able to monetize and be able to make an extra income. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and good luck in your online income journey. Until next time.